Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's dish is extra special for me because I'm making it in a clay pot. Today I have made fish curry in clay pot and I'm super excited to share you this recipe. She said, because of its porous nature, it allows both steam and heat to circulate through the food, and of course that gives that aromatic cooking and delicious in taste. It's proven that this lets the food remain more nutritive value than prepared in any other kind of utensils like steel or non-stick kadai. So I'm enjoying this, and of course the main benefit of me making it in clay pot is meat prepared in clay pots remain juicy and tender. So let's get started with making fish curry in this clay pot. Alright, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Let's stay connected. Alright, so let's get started with the fish curry. I have all these ingredients set up here. Before that, let me tell you, I have this kingfish which I have 4 pieces, and I've marinated this overnight with salt, turmeric and red chili powder, so they are nicely marinated now. For the gravy, we need 1 large onion, 1 tomato, small piece of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, and about 4 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut. Spices, we will use turmeric, red chili powder and some garam masala, salt to taste and some oil. So let's get started. So this clay pot is nicely washed and soaked it overnight in the water and now completely dried. So I have this clay pot well seasoned with the oil, and before turning the heat on, I have 2 tablespoons of oil, if you can see that. So let's turn the heat on and let's get our raw ingredients cooked. Alright, so once the oil is heated, I've added cinnamon and coriander and fennel seeds. Let's add our onion. We are going to cook this onion to golden brown, or saute to golden brown. Keep stirring occasionally, and to use clay pot, it is really healthy, and all our grandparents used to cook everything in the clay pots, as many of you recollect. So let's get that tradition back in these days. As you can see, onion is translucent. Let's add our tomato and fresh coconut and saute it for about 3-4 minutes and mix everything together well. And always use either wooden or non-metal spatula in clay pots. Just a quick tip here, because they are very delicate and we always have to make sure that it is gently used. So let's saute it for about 3-4 minutes until it's well cooked, and then we can make a puree of it. Alright, and here you go. After 4 minutes and occasionally stirring, this is how the masala looks like. Now I'm going to remove it in a plate, and once it's cool off, I will make a gravy of it. I'll mix it in a mixie jar. Alright, so here is our gravy ready, and I have everything handy here. So let's reheat this pot. I've added 2 tablespoons of oil again, and we are adding ginger garlic paste. Okay, let's start with ginger garlic paste. Time to add our masala or gravy that we grinded earlier. Alright, look at this. This curry is already getting ready. So let's add some spices. I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, and 1 tablespoon of salt, or rather 3/4 tablespoon of salt, because we have also marinated our fish with salt. Let's give that a good mix. Once it starts oozing out some oil, I'm going to add some warm water. Always make sure you, in any curries, you add hot water or warm water. It eases out the cooking process, as well as it gives a nice color to the gravy. So let it cook, and once the oil oozes out, we will add the water. Here you go. So oil is oozing out. I'm adding about 1 cup of water. That's hot water. Look at the beautiful color. Now I'm going to add 1 more cup of hot water, and it depends on how thick the gravy or the curry you want. I definitely need more gravy base, so I'm going to add 1 more cup of hot water and then add fish and allow it to cook. Alright, so let it cook for about 2 minutes, and then we will add our fish pieces. Okay, so in about 1 minute my curry is started boiling. Let's add our kingfish piece of that, and maybe 1 more right there. Can add 1 more. 3 are enough. Okay, now let's make a space for this one. Okay, I'm going to cover it with a plate and let this fish cook in this curry for about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, so it's about 5 to 6 minutes, and let's see if it's cooked. Look at this beautiful, gorgeous fish curry is ready. Because this fish doesn't take long to cook like chicken or any other meat. So let's garnish with chopped coriander, and it is done. Alright, and let's add some chopped coriander. I can't wait to eat this yummy fish curry. Let me turn off the heat and let's end the video. And look at this, guys. I'm super duper excited to eat this fish curry in a clay pot. It already smells heavenly, and I can't wait to eat this. I'm making dosa today, so I'll be eating that with dosa. Here you go, that my plate is ready, and I hope you like this recipe and enjoyed this fish curry. Made it in clay pot. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. I hope you like this recipe. I'll see you in the next video with yet another recipe. Till then, take care and goodbye. And hey, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I've seen so many views on my channel, but I do not see people subscribing, so I request you to subscribe if you like my recipes. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.